Hey guys, we're here with a review of the mirror dash cam by Pormito. This is the model PR990. When you get the box, you get this nice heavy duty box. Has a magnet latch, and when you open it, you read it like this. Now your box may look a little bit cleaner than mine. I did open it and then used it and put everything back. This is how I would try to make it look normal. This is the dash cam. You have the power unit. This plugs right into the cigarette lighter to the dash cam and powers it up. Now you can do a fuse tap. You will need a different wire and of course the appropriate fuse lines to power it through the fuse. Adhesive brackets for all the cabling. Instruction booklet. It will tell you exactly how to use it, how to mount it and everything, what cables and where it should go. This is the 1080p rear camera. This is to see the live feed. Since this is replacing your rear view mirror, this provides constant live feed footage. This goes with the camera, and basically you put this through the trunk all the way in the line of the car to the front where the dash cam is. Screen cleaner and the mounting brackets. Like I said, this does replace your rear view mirror, so you put the dash cam over the mirror and you use these rubberized grip to actually mount it on there, and it's pretty secured. Now, camera, the mirror itself, front camera is right here, 1080p as well. In the front, we have the USB to power it up. We have the micro SD card slot. Now my rule is I will get a 32 gig micro SD card, class 10. That will power it up. As you can see, power it up, and that's the mirror. You can adjust it and we'll move it. This is just in case you have a different type of mirror, you have something there. This is where you put your mirror across and you grip it on. And of course you see everything there. You can press this and it kind of goes into night mode and then turn off. You can adjust, because this camera does do some zoom in, so you can actually there you go. Oh, my fingers are low. So you can adjust the brightness. Make sure when you take off the screen protector, because the screen is a lot more sensitive when you take that off, so it's a lot easier. But for testing purposes, I'll keep it on. Then you have settings. You can do video resolution, loop recording. Now loop recording, basically it will record the video, cancel it, record the next one every minute, or every 3 minutes, 5 minutes. I do my rule of 3 minutes. This does loop recording, which so when the SD card gets full, it'll automatically delete the oldest footage, so you don't have to worry about going into this and constantly reformatting the card. There is a night mode, which brightens up the video a little bit better. Exposure, how you want the brightness. Parking assist lines. Streaming rear cam, which of course you want on, or else you'll be having a pointless camera at that point. Or version, you can reset or format the SD card. This does have parking assist and parking monitor, so if the car moves, it'll automatically start recording. With the backup camera and everything, when you have the lines and everything, so you can help parking if you have issue rear view parking or you don't have a rear view camera. The lens have about 170 degrees angle, so you can see 170 degrees for the front, while the back is 150. You have the cable to run from the back to the front. You have about 26 feet, which is more than enough. When I did mine, I had way, actually probably about approximately probably about approximately 10 feet extra line that's fed underneath the headlining. This does support up to 64 gigs on micro SD card, but like I said, all you need is 32 gigs and you will be fine. There is a slot for GPS support. You can buy a separate adapter, and it will basically, if you get the video recording or something, it will tell you where you are. How much that is, I do not know. You have to contact the seller if they do sell it. The whole screen, of course, is, as you can see, touchscreen. Very simple to use, time and date and everything, which is pretty useful. That's one of my favorite features, I think, because of the date and times. All video recording resolution is 1080p. Let's see what else. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple to use, pretty simple to install. My only concern is how difficult it will install when you have to install the rear camera. That will take you approximately, it took me about approximately 15-20 minutes, but I do know how to take apart my car. I've worked on my car and everything, so it was easy for me. But the simplest way is you get the adhesive, you pop the adhesive on here using the supported adhesive, pop it on under a license plate or something, run the cable line through the trunk lining, and basically you can either just like either staple or glue this under the head under the car lining. I mean, there's ways. The instruction booklet actually tells you how you should be doing it, how the wire layout and everything. So everything's there. It's pretty straightforward. I tried to install it in my other car and I had no issues. It was a little messy with the cable, but it was perfectly fine. It takes, for someone who's not experienced, if you follow the instruction booklet, it should take no longer than an hour. And to be honest, it's worth it. I mean, it's nice, high quality. You're not gonna have no issues or anything, and it works out fine. So let me know what you think about it. If there's any questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to answer it.